This kid absolutely deserves a car, and we're gonna try our best to make it happen. Not even try our best. We're just gonna make it happen. And I'm gonna take you guys along the journey. We're at my favorite barbershop. There's the man right there. Yo. Oh, what up, Picasso? All right, we are back from the barbershop. I'm getting ready to set some stuff up really quick, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what we're doing. Gonna need these. Need these registrations. Yeah. I'm gonna throw this guy on the truck and get ready to haul it up to Orlando. We're gonna be spending a day out there. Someone's actually buying it from us. Somebody that's very, very special to us, and it's gonna stay in the family. That's another reason to me selling the ski. It's going to a family member, and they're gonna have it, they're gonna love it, they're gonna enjoy it, they're gonna use it. It's a win-win situation. Check this bad boy out. Got the ski in the back. We're getting ready to put some air in the tires. Whoa, whoa. What's that, Zena? Barking at the broom on the pool guy's equipment there. I love this ski a lot. Trust me, a lot. When I first purchased it, you don't understand the accomplishment I felt from buying this thing. Anyway, we're off to Orlando. We got the truck packed up. We got our one outfit for tomorrow. Let's get on the road. We're getting some gas right now. A cameraman would be absolutely optimum right now. We still have some sunlight. If you guys want to check on the jet ski, you can check on it. She's safe. She's doing good. Those thin ass tires are doing good too. So, if you can see right here, we got about 2 hours and 1 minute. I know you guys can't see it, but look at that beautiful sunset. We gotta get around them. All right, the worst thing that could ever happen just happened. Guys, FYI, help has arrived. I hella lied. That is not our help. That is a road ranger pulling over to see if I'm okay, which is pretty cool. But we need the guy without tire. $1,000, literally $1,000 for a $100 tire. Lesson learned, guys. If you have any type of trailer that has tires on it, ride with a spare. I did check the air pressure. I made sure that the air pressure was good. I did everything I was supposed to do. But I guess the tire just gave out. So we are on hour 2 and we're just sitting here waiting for them to come. We have a text message that popped up and said 49 minutes ETA. Guys, also on a trip, make sure you bring snacks and all of that stuff. I'm on a small strip on the turnpike. Very small strip where you can pull over at. When those semi-tractor trailers pass by, it literally shakes my truck. Spare tire, guys. Spare tire. Guys, help is here for real, for real. We are ready to go back on the road, guys. Hopefully the other tire doesn't pop. That would be absolutely, let's not even say that. Let's not even say that. Take it back. I take it back.
Bro, this man, you haven't eaten, you haven't done anything, bro, and you're filming? Good, bro.
I'm good.
Bro, you're horrible at backing up. Yes, you are.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning. You get some rest. Good night, guys. Look at this guy.
Yo, Goonin.
What? What are you doing? Oh shit! This guy is absolutely on cloud 9 right now.
Big player.
That boy Coobs. Look at him. Look at him. He's so excited right now.
Yo, how do I know when to stop?
Yeah, you can't lift it while you're pumping, Coob. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. I see you.
That's weird, bro.
You're doing your thing.
It doesn't turn as fast as the boat, I'll tell you how much.
It doesn't?
No.
Good. Uh-oh, we got the turn around, reach behind the back look. Grab that goonch.
You want me to back up?
Okay, so we are out on the water. I'm 100% not taking my camera out on the water. Coob's over there. I'm gonna test drive it.
What is this, buddy?
Your gas. Guys, I am so sad I'm selling this thing. Absolutely terrible. Take off! Go, go!
Wow, man. You wanna hop on?
No, not with you.
Why?
But hey, take off from right there. Take off from right there. Gun it, gun it, gun it. Oh shit! Yo! We're heading over to the shop and we're getting ready to meet up with Dominic's grandfather, and we're gonna check out the car and all that good stuff. So in a couple seconds we will be at the shop. In a couple seconds we'll be at the shop and we'll be looking at the car to see exactly what the hype is all about on this GMC. I do have photos of it, but nothing beats in real life, as you know. Dominic's grandfather.
Pat, how you doing?
And he did one of the most amazing things. This is his actual vehicle, and he is allowing Dominic and I to Take it off of his hands. Let's show you. Would you mind if I walk in there? Step in there? All right. Check this out. Absolutely mint condition. Go in there, check it out. Man, Pat, this thing is clean, Pat.
Fucking old guy, old retired judge.
This thing is clean.
Hey, I've been sitting for like, fuck, I've had it almost 2 years.
Probably got,
Might be out of fucking gas.
yeah, probably needs gas.
I'm gonna do that this afternoon. I didn't think it was completely empty though.
I mean, that's a good thing. Gosh. I remember this from when I was like 16, 17. He used to pull this thing out and the whole block would stop. Wow. Wow, we're staring at a classic here. Nick is like, oh my God. This is definitely Dominic's. All right, so she's out of gas. So we're gonna go to the gas station really quick, pick up some gas, load it in there, take it for a quick test drive, and then we're gonna see if it's actually a good ride for Dominic, which I have no doubt about it. Damn, she drunk a lot. Thank God he had that funnel, because if we would have tried to pour it in with this old thing, it would have been all over the place. Want me to pull her out? All right, so we got the truck. We got the truck. And she is absolutely beautiful. This is a good, and the AC's kicking good. Everything's good. Steering wheel spins nice and easy. There's no problems with the power steering. The inside of the truck is pretty nice. You got, yeah, it's clean. You got cup holders here down at the bottom. Very clean. His grandfather's probably gonna give him the radio. Dominic is supposed to be meeting us here, and should we just take it around the block real quick? Real quick, all right, cool. Man, bro, this thing is smooth, Nick. It's pretty smooth, Nick. All right, so this guy already knows what time it is right now. People talk. So let's go ahead and get this man the best sight he's ever seen. And it's right there, shouting. Damn, you too damn tall. I feel like I oughta. Oh! Jump back. Oh, my bike. Sheesh. And I drove it, sir.
Yeah, you drove it.
I did. It drives nice. Congratulations, man. So jump in it, man. Put your book bag in it. Jump in it. This guy's shell shocked.
Yes, sir. You got something to carry your book bag now.
It's your car.
What are you talking about? Can you get in it?
Just drive it. Yeah, test it out. I don't even know what to do. He don't even know what to do. He's like, what? Do I get in it? It's yours. All right. Oh man, this is tough. All right. This is tough for me. Oh shit. I'll edit it out. All right, look. I didn't grow up with a dad, bro.
So to buy him a car, that's pretty cool. I love you guys. Cad Lab out.